Hello friends, I'm Ellie, welcome to Cardboard Design. Today, I will show you how to build a modern house with all the amenities you desire. Okay. Are you like me? I always want to have a house with full amenities. Everything you want is available. Let's build a house like that. This house will have 6 rooms. Each room will have its own color and use. I use 6 different colors for the walls and floors. You can do it like me or follow your own preferences. Start with the yellow room first. I will make a dental clinic here. I need a simple table with a yellow top and black legs. Add a sink made from bottle caps. I will recycle this straw to make a dental examination lamp. Cut it into 2 segments. Connect with a joint made from cotton swabs and metal beads. Continue making the base below. The light head will be black with a yellow bulb. Next, I will make a dental chair. I covered the cardboard with yellow fabric, cutting off the excess. Use straws to connect similar parts together. Add 2 additional handrails. Attach the chair legs below. Don't forget to decorate a small butterfly on top. So we have a modern-looking dental chair. I will make another small yellow chair. I covered the cotton with yellow checkered pattern fabric to create softness, bordered with yellow lace. Attach the chair legs and you're done. Decorate the wall with a cute tooth-shaped sign.
Hello! My tooth hurts so much. Help me!
Okay.
Ew! Oh no!
Face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places.
Thank you.
We laugh about the irony of everything.
Next, go to the pink room. What room will this be? I will make the bed first. I drew a picture of a simple headboard on cardboard. Use a retractable knife to cut according to the drawing. Smooth the outer edges. Paste white paper on top with pink border. For the bed body, I would cover it in simple white. Fold the edges neatly. Attach 2 additional handrails with plastic straws. Continue with a cushion. I used pink fabric to cover the cardboard, adding cotton in the middle. Use scissors to cut off the excess. Looking at the bed, You can probably guess that I'm making a miniature hospital, right? I made an extra blue pillow to decorate the bed. After adding cotton in the middle, I fixed the two ends with glue, then shaped a bow and decorated around it. Next, I made a bedside cabinet. Wrap around it with pink paper. Add a small blue drawer with a flower-shaped handle. Make a heart rate monitor above to monitor your health. I used yellow clay to make a small electronic scale. Flatten the clay and then cut off the edges to create a rectangle. The outer edge is made of red clay fiber. Decorate a little on top with two small feet. Add a hospital-specific red plus sign on the wall.
Quickly. No problem.
When you're next to me.
Continue with the purple room next door. I will put the kitchen here. I put together small pieces of cardboard to make a kitchen table. Cover them with white paper. Add two purple kitchen cabinets and an oven in the middle. Cut two equal segments of the cotton swab to make the handle. I will make the kitchen surface sparkle combined with a small sink. Add a faucet. I made a carbonated water vending machine so I can drink as much as I want. Decorate the wall with some paintings. Add a cashier counter in front. Computers are indispensable for ordering and paying. This blue room I will use as a bathroom. I will make the bath first. It will be elliptical in shape with blue inside and white outside. Use blue lace to decorate around the bathtub. Add a faucet and it will work normally. I made a wash basin next to the bathtub. Two additional small drawers. I used a pink bottle cap to make a sink. Add a faucet and a round mirror. A toilet is indispensable. I will make a white toilet. Decorate the toilet with blue lace. Add a rug and a painting to make it less empty. What should I do with this red room? How about a pharmacy? That way you won't have to worry when you get sick. I will will use this large shelf to store lots of medicine. Make a stethoscope to use when needed.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let
I will add a
it be.
small medicine cabinet outside. Inside will be some commonly used medicines.
I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared
Add a
to
table
let
and
this
chairs
go,
so you can
will
sit and
never
work.
learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn, 'cause baby, I got you.
With the last room in green, I will make the living room. Let's start with a turquoise sofa.
Is the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down.
Add 2 very soft cushions. Decorate a little with white lace.
Not afraid.
Decorate the wall with a clock and a painting. Finally, there is a small table and a beautiful flower vase.
I'm not
The house is completed. Do you like it? Build your own house with all the amenities of your preference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to watch more great videos. Bye-bye!
No, that's a cowboy device to the bottom.